In this video, I'll show you how to lock the Firefox browser with a password. Before we get started, if you want to safely browse and protect your online activity while using Firefox, I recommend NordVPN. I've developed a world package and support for Firefox. It encrypts your internet connection, keeps your data secure, and protects you from hackers on public Wi-Fi. You can try it risk-free using the link in the description for a great price. Now, let's dive into securing Firefox. Keep in mind that Firefox does not have a way to lock the entire browser with a password. The safest and fully legal method is to use the primary password feature, which protects all the sensitive information saved in your browser, like logins and passwords. To set this up, first open your Firefox browser. Click the three-bar menu in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Under Logins and Passwords, look for the option called Use a Primary Password. This used to be called a Master Password. Click on Use a Primary Password, and a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong. Firefox even shows a password strength meter to help you create a secure one. After typing your password, confirm it by entering it again. Then click OK. You'll see a message saying your primary password has been successfully set. Now, whenever you or anyone else tries to view saved passwords in Firefox, the browser will ask for this primary password before allowing access. For example, if you try to view a saved login, you'll be prompted to enter your primary password, ensuring that your sensitive information stays protected. This method doesn't lock the browser itself from opening, but it does keep your saved credentials secure. Combined with NordVPN, your browsing becomes even safer, as your connection is encrypted and private, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to your data. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free for a great price and keep your online activity secure.